Hey you guys, it's Toya and thank you for watching ToyaJTV, and today I'm going to show you a style that helps you relax or stretch. This style is a faux ponytail, and all you'll need is really about 1 to 2 packs of braid hair, and that's about it. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, I'm starting with the Whipped Honey Foam Wrap in the by L. Jones collection. This helps to lay down the edges and the new growth. You know, the edges don't like to lay flat, so this helps them to lay flat. So I just put it right all around the edges and then comb it through. And then I take my satin scarf and tie it down as tight as I possibly can. This will lay it down without me having to use a whole lot of product as far as gel, edge control, and all that. So I've sat under the dryer and dried, and you see how it's laying flat already. So now I just put my hair in a ponytail, and then I'm going to take my braid hair and just simply wrap it around my hair and start braiding. And you don't have to do this. This is just something I like to do, which is tie my ponytail part up so that when I'm actually doing the braiding, you don't have any loose hairs or anything that, need to be fixed. So I like to tie that part down and then do my ponytail. But again, you don't have to do yours like that. That's just the way that I personally prefer to do mine. So that requires a scarf going around the bottom, and then I take another scarf and go around the top. So the only thing that's left out is my actual ponytail. And I just want to say, doesn't my ponytail look super long right now? Like, I remember when my hair was cut in a bob, and now it's like growing like crazy. So I'm taking some braid hair, and I want my ponytail to be a little bit thick. That's why I'm taking this much hair. And then I'm just going to take that hair, tie a rubber band around it, wrap the rubber band around my ponytail, and then I will start braiding. And when I braid, I'm going to be using the braid hair and then incorporating my hair on the inside. Don't mind me, I'm just being silly. So this is where you see me braiding the hair, and as you can see, it's kind of thick. I didn't want my ponytail really thin. And as I was going down, I just added more braid hair to keep it thick until I got to the very end. I wanted this braid to come to waist lengths, almost booty length. So that's why I'm just checking to see where it stops, and it looks about good. So now I'm just taking a piece of hair and wrapping it around the rubber band. I forgot to leave a piece of hair out. Normally I leave a piece of hair out before I start braiding, but I forgot to do that. So I just took some of the braid hair and just wrapped it around. And right now I'm removing the scarves so that you can see the entire finished look before I actually get dressed and put clothes on, because I do have somewhere to go today. But this style did not take long at all. I mean, it probably did not even take me an hour. The hardest part was actually putting my hair all up, my real hair, in the ponytail because my hair is so thick, but actually braiding it down and all that didn't take long at all. And here's the finished look. Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe.